Hi everyone, so today I will be talking about the most hype product around the internet, which is these lashes from CALAILIS. Now this is called the CALAILIS Magnetic Eyelash and Eyeliner Kit, and I'm sure you must have seen someone on the internet using this, or at least on Amazon, and I have got this pair from Amazon itself. Now the one that I have got have 10 different pairs of eyelashes, and all of them are different variants. Now this kit comes with 2 eyeliners and 1 lash applicator. Now I thought it would be really fun to test it out with you guys and see how exactly they work. To be honest, I have tried this one or twice before, but I really did not like the result and I thought maybe I'm doing something wrong. So I went on the internet and saw a few videos which were available, and that made me realize that I was doing it wrong. So basically this is gonna be my first impressions after knowing how exactly to do it. And if it works, it is gonna be a game changer, you guys, especially for those who struggle with the tedious process of applying lashes. Even I struggle a lot while applying lashes. And if this works, it is just gonna make the process very easy for us. So let's quickly dig into this and see how they perform. Now let me read out for you what's written on the back of this packet. Now this section is all the instructions on how to apply lashes, and this section right here tells you how to remove them. So the first step to apply the eyelashes is to shake the magnetic eyeliner bottle well, use finishing powder before magnetic liner and keep skin dry. The second step is to apply eyeliner 2 to 3 times, make it thicker as both the end. And the third step is to find the correct position, start applying from inner corner, blah blah blah. And to remove, it's really easy. Gently peel off the lash strips starting from the outer corner, gently remove the eyeliner with makeup remover, and that's it. So basically I did not read this at the first place while using it for the first time, and that's why maybe it has turned out to be a blunder. So I've pulled you a little closer so that you can see what exactly I am doing. So I'm going to take this third pair from the bottom, which is not very natural but not very wispy at the same time. It is perfect for this eye look. Now the thing is, you cannot trim these lashes. It has small magnetic chips all over the lash bands, which makes it really difficult to trim them. But anyways, I'm going to start with applying the eyeliner, and I'm going to shake this really well before using this. So now I don't know whether I should do one eye at a time or I should do both eyes. Maybe I'll do just one eye at a time. Now I'm gonna let this dry very well. I was making this mistake in past. I was not letting my eyeliner dry, and that was just creating a mess. But now I'm gonna let it dry really nicely. And also I have not applied any mascara because I like to apply mascara after I'm done with my lashes, and that's what I'm going to do today. So I think my liner is dried up. Now I'm going to remove this lashes. And as you can see, there is a magnetic strip here as well, so that the lashes are stuck onto them. I'm just curling these lashes so that they stick well. Alright, so it's the show time. Now if you're using this tool, please be careful you don't poke yourself in your eye. Okay, so the lashes are on, and I think I have done a better job this time. This is how it looks like. Of course, I'm going to apply some mascara. Now let me do the other eye as well. So while I was doing this liner, the inner corner from this eye is coming out, as you can see, and it always happens with me while applying lashes, maybe because my eyes are very watery. But I'm going to repeat the liner process and see if it happens again. Okay, so I've fixed this eyelashes and I've applied the other one as well. So far it's good, and the crazy thing is that the eyelash band is very lightweight, which is so cool. Here I am with my final verdict on this product. I feel it is a very nice concept, and if you want to try it out, you can go for it. And I would suggest you to go for the smaller versions first to try out, and then if you like it, go for the 10 pair eyelashes kit. For me, however, the biggest con with this product is to apply eyeliner. No matter what, eyeliner becomes a compulsion, and there are so many looks these days which does not requires eyeliner, but with this one you have to do it. Another con would be that you cannot trim these lashes. For someone like me with smaller eyes, it becomes really difficult that the lashes would fit as it is on the eyes. Even now, after applying the liner twice, the inner corner of this eye is not sticking at all, and I can feel that magnetic strip hurting me in the inner corners a little bit, which is not at all comfortable. Now, even talking about the pros, these lashes are very affordable firstly. Secondly, these are very lightweight, and also they are very easy to apply. Like, the process is very hassle free. So yeah, I would say go ahead and give these lashes a try if you want to, and if you do let me know in the comment section below. And even if you're already using this, let me know your thoughts on these lashes. I would love to know them. I will make sure to link this particular product in my description box below for you to check it out, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. It will mean a lot to me. For the fact I know a lot of you aren't subscribed to my YouTube channel and you still watch my videos, so if you like them, please consider subscribing to my channel. It will mean a lot to me and it will help me grow with this platform as well. I shall take a leave now, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye.